Mastering system assessments. Top management owns operational excellence. Who is responsible for defining the primary objective of conducting a system assessment, which is ultimately designed to achieve operational excellence in the organization? The primary objective of conducting a system assessment is ultimately defined by the organization's leadership, particularly the senior management and executives who oversee the overall strategy and direction of the organization. These stakeholders are responsible for setting the vision and goals for the organization, and identifying areas that require improvement to achieve operational excellence. In this context, the primary objective of a system assessment is to identify opportunities for improvement and develop strategies to address gaps and inefficiencies in the organization's systems, processes, and practices. The goal is to optimize system performance, reduce risks, and enhance overall operational effectiveness. To achieve this objective, the organization's leadership must establish a clear and concise scope for the system assessment, outlining the specific areas to be evaluated and the expected outcomes. This includes defining the key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics to be used to measure system performance, as well as identifying the stakeholders who will be involved in the assessment and their roles and responsibilities. The system assessment should be designed to evaluate the organization's systems and processes across multiple dimensions, including people, process, technology, and infrastructure. This includes assessing the organization's governance structure, risk management practices, compliance with regulatory requirements, and adherence to industry standards and best practices. The assessment should also evaluate the organization's operational capabilities, including its ability to plan, execute, and monitor operations, manage resources and assets, and respond to disruptions and crises. Additionally, the assessment should examine the organization's performance management practices, including its ability to set goals and objectives, track progress, and measure performance. Through a comprehensive and systematic evaluation of these areas, the system assessment aims to identify opportunities for improvement and develop recommendations for enhancing operational excellence. This includes identifying areas where processes can be streamlined, inefficiencies can be reduced, and risks can be mitigated. Ultimately, the primary objective of conducting a system assessment is to provide the organization's leadership with a roadmap for achieving operational excellence, including a clear understanding of the current state of the organization's systems and processes, a vision for the future state, and a plan for achieving that vision. To achieve this objective, the organization's leadership must be actively engaged throughout the assessment process, providing guidance and direction to the assessment team and ensuring that the findings and recommendations are aligned with the organization's overall strategy and goals. The leadership must also be willing to invest time and resources in implementing the recommendations and driving change within the organization. By conducting a thorough and comprehensive system assessment, organizations can gain a deep understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, identify opportunities for improvement, and develop a roadmap for achieving operational excellence. This can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, effectiveness, and overall performance, enabling organizations to achieve their goals and objectives and sustain long-term success.